Hey there, Babcock fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here in Babcock National. This is 43317 Waterbird Way, Unit 5021. This is the Bay Creek floor plan, part of the coach line of condos that you're going to find here at Babcock National. These are going to be the largest condos that you're going to find. 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, comes with 2,100 square foot, and you get a 2+ tandem garage, which we'll see. But first off, as we walk upstairs, you're gonna see the nice great room design here. But first, on our left, you've got a nice coat closet right there, or extra storage. And then your 2 guest bedrooms, guest bath, and laundry are right back this way. These are huge guest bedrooms here, folks. You can definitely fit 2 queens, 1 king, and you have a walk-in closet as well. And the other one is just as big here. They're really about the size of a master bedroom here. Really nice size rooms for your guests. And again, a walk-in closet right there. Then we have the guest bath here with your sink, the commode, as well as the combination tub and shower. And then you have your laundry space here with full-size washer and dryer, some additional storage right above there. So this home is also being sold turnkey. So what that means is everything that you see, minus personal exclusions, are included in the sale, including all the silverware, forks, spoons, knives. You guessed it. Yep, everything comes with it. Here's the nice dining area, and then the kitchen here. One thing about the kitchen to notice that is different from other communities, you have natural gas right here. So that's something that a lot of folks enjoy, especially for the cook and the family. And you've got a nice, great room design here. So your kitchen overlooks all of your entertaining areas, as well as your dining. You've got quartz countertops right here, really nice. And then we come to the master bedroom here. So really huge master here. That's a king size bed there for perspective. So you can see how much space you have. You've got 2 huge closets, his and hers here. We'll open up one here for your viewing, but really nice size closet there. And then you've got your master bath here with your split vanities. Huge shower right here in the corner. And then you have your enclosed water closet right over here as well as a linen closet. Now upstairs, the last portion that we have here is the viewpoint. So this one here faces the preserve. You're gonna get all kinds of fun wildlife to view out here. Plus, in addition, you don't have any golfers or golf carts coming back behind you. So you can relax out here and be very tranquil and just watch the world go by as you relax in your new coach home here. All right, so the last thing that we're going to cover here is downstairs. We're going to take a look at that garage so you can see how that space feels. There's also some understair storage down here. So as you come down the stairs here, directly to my right, you've got plenty of storage for all your different things underneath here. And that wraps all the way back down there. And then the garage here, again, it's a 2+ tandem, so you can easily fit 2 cars right up here. And then in the space I'm standing, you could fit a 3rd vehicle, you could put a golf cart right there, or some additional storage if you like. All right, folks, so this is the coach home. It's called the Bay Creek. If you're interested in this floor plan, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we really appreciate you watching our videos. We'll talk to you soon.